Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Smartsheet for reporting strategy, beginner guide step by step clearly. Open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in www.smartsheet.com and press enter. Once the Smartsheet homepage loads, locate the login button at the top right corner of the page. Click on the login button. You will be directed to the login page. Here, you will see fields for your email address and password. Enter your registered email address in the provided field. Next, input your password in the designated area. If you want to stay logged in for future visits, check the Remember Me box. After you have filled in your credentials, click on the Login button. If your information is correct, you will be taken to the Smartsheet dashboard. In case you have forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link under the login fields. Follow the prompts to reset your password by entering your email address. Check your email for a password reset link and follow the instructions provided. Once you successfully log in, navigate to the Home tab to begin setting up your reporting strategy. From there, you can access your sheets or create a new one for your reporting needs. Explore the features Smartsheet offers, such as templates, automation, and collaboration tools, to enhance your reporting strategy. Familiarize yourself with the interface to make your reporting process smoother and more efficient. You are now ready to utilize Smartsheet for your reporting strategy. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.